Catherine, are you ready with your information?
I already shared to you.
Where? Remember, whatever you type in the chat box will be gone when the Zoom room is...
No. Earlier.
A what?
Earlier.
Clear?
Earlier.
Earlier? Oh, wait, but I have still so many questions about them. About the phases of the moon. And you too, Azza, about your comet flyby.
Oh. Yes, it is.
Let's wait for the others to come. Catherine is joining us. Hey, Catherine. Charissa, so sorry. Catherine is already here. Where are... the Blue Moon team is not here. They are running away. Oh, there she is. Okay, so while we're waiting for the Blue Moon team, Charissa and Catherine, we talked about, you said that there were 4 phases of the moon earlier. What are they? Have you got them now?
New moon.
New moon, okay.
Full moon,
Full moon. What else?
crescent moon,
moon. And one more?
half.
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 So only 4.
Yeah, half.
Okay. New moon, halves, new moon, crescent moon, halves, and full moon. Okay, so my question is, does
Oh, convex maybe. Convex moon.
convex moon is... I've never heard of it. What what is convex moon?
Like no, no. No, I think same like the I think
Halves.
same like the crescent.
Oh, crescent moon. Okay. So my next question is, you said that new moon, crescent, halves, and full moon. Does it always repeat themselves like this? Always. So the phase
Yeah,
is
I
always
think
new moon, crescent, halves, full moon, and then back to new moon, always.
I think yes, because the moon rotates only once when circling the Earth.
I see. Now, how long does a phase, and how long do these phases become cyclical? I mean, like the period for the new moon to
2.5
repeat
years.
itself.
Every 2.5 years.
Every 2.5 years? Seriously?
Yes, I googled it.
So we only have full moon like every 6 months? No, Catherine is confused. I'm confused. They're going Googling again. I'm going to ask the Flyby Comet team. Hello, Flyby Comet team. Okay, are you ready? Bening, Dio, Aza.
Yeah.
Okay. I still don't get it. I mean, what's so special about this Flyby Comet? Is it
The name?
the size, perhaps, or the time that it passes the Earth? What?
Mm, because the name
The name?
unique.
So
Yeah.
the name is unique, okay? So why is it
Yeah.
called Flyby?
Mm. Oh, maybe Bunning and Leo can answer it. Bunning, Leo. You can explain the definition maybe?
Jing, 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 jing. They're not ready yet. Go back to the blue moon theme. Rere, Fanny, and Vidya. Okay. So, the betraying moon. Okay. You said that. That's why the name is blue moon. How often does a blue moon happen? I didn't hear it well when you explain it.
Sorry.
How often
Can
does
you
the
repeat?
blue moon happen?
Uh, is it 2 to 3 years? Hello?
Uh-uh.
Oh, 2 to 3 years, isn't it,
2 to 3 years.
guys?
Okay,
Yes,
so
yes.
well, that's long. Okay. So
Um,
why is it taking so long for the blue moon to happen?
uh, because the moon have to um wait, what?
I don't know. Wait, what? Don't ask me. I'm asking.
So
Wait,
wait.
miss.
So there should be 12 full moon, right? In year should be, right?
According to Catherine, there are only 2 full moons. Now I'm
Wait, what?
confused. Catherine
Wait,
says
is there?
the cyclical
Wait,
phase only repeats itself every
wait,
6 months, twice a
wait,
year.
really?
But according to
Wait, what?
Catherine, I don't know. Catherine, according to you, is it true?
I don't know.
Oh no!
Miss, can I?
Yeah, Raygon.
I think from the article, because the blue moon is form format structure first into a full moon.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, I mean, uh, as far as I know, this is as far as I know, there are 12 full moons in a
Mhm.
year. We have, for every Hijri month, there's
Mhm.
always a full moon. However, you said that there are only the blue moon only happens about 2 to 3 years. So why not every month?
I feel like the blue moon is only for
So it's so random, like two or
only
three years. Hello, I'm back, and then
Miss, can I answer this?
sure, sure.
From article that I read,
Hmm?
Sky and Telescope Julie in is like, oh, I'm sorry. Sky and Telescope Julie, the term blue moon is taken from like the mini farmers almanac or main farmers almanac from August issue. It's a said like occurrence of 13 full moons in 1 year instead the usual 12 full moons.
Oh. So it means that the blue moon happens every year. The
No,
13
the blue moon
moon.
is only like the blue moon is only came like once in 2 years or 3 years, I thought.
Mhm. But you said it's the 13 moon.
No,
You said the regular moon, the
no.
regular year has 12 moons, and then when it has
I
the
thought
13,
I thought the full moon.
uh-uh, the full moon happens 12 times a year, right? And then you said if there is a 13 full moon, then it is the blue moon, no? Didn't you say that? Moon people. I'm getting confused with the moon. Two teams talking about the moon and they are doing this one.
I feel like the blue one is for correcting the timing. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about.
I don't know. Moon just so suck.
I'm going back to Face of the Moon then while they're researching their facts again. The Blue Moon team. Face of the Moon.
Okay.
Uh, does it have like days for every phase to complete?
I don't know every phase like the half or maybe half or crescent moon. I don't know the detail of the days, but the new moon or full moon.
Hmm?
I think 14, 14
14
days.
days. Oh.
Yeah, 14 days. But six. I think 6 days is the new moon.
Hmm?
6 days and 6 days again full moon. But the 2 days maybe crescent or half maybe.
Hmm. I see. So in the middle, you have crescent and half moons. Um, and you're not sure about the days, how long they
Yeah.
are. And what makes, I mean, like, what gives the different shape of the moon anyway, according to the phases?
Can you repeat? Can miss because
What makes each phase has different shapes?
yeah because uh yeah because the surface is uh the moon is rotates only once and the moon circling the earth.
Mm-hmm.
Uh so the surface is invisible. I mean invisible when it turns its back on the sun. Maybe.
I'm confused with the explanation.
Yeah. So the shape of the moon, the
Hmm?
shape of the moon appears to change every night because
Mm-mm.
the moon
Oh,
rotates
really every
only
night?
once.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, rotates only once when circling the Earth. The same surface is always facing us, and the surface is invisible when it turns its back on the sun. Maybe like so. So the moon have many face.
So when the moon actually rotates, do we
Yeah,
rotate? Okay, when the moon revolves around the Earth,
yeah.
we always see the same side.
Mm, I think yeah. No, I think no.
You just said that we see the same side of the moon
No,
every
no,
time.
no, no. I think difference.
A different side of the moon. Okay. I'm going to go back to the flyby comet team. So have you got your answer, flyby comet? Why is it named flyby anyway?
Hmm. Yes, yes. Because they use spacecraft for to go to another planet.
Huh?
Eh, wait. Oh,
Wait, it's
wait,
it's
wait.
a comet, right?
Yeah. Oh my God. Miss, sorry. I don't know. Suddenly I'm blank. Wait. This the explanation is okay. I will read it. A space flight operation in which a spacecraft faces in proximity to another body,
Mm,
usually a target of its space exploration mission.
mm,
Uh, yes,
But this is the comet that is named Flyby,
Yeah.
not the exploration, right?
Not the what?
The space exploration, not the device. You said there's a device that captured the comet.
Uh-uh. Oh, wait. Uh, really? So you answer what?
Okay, so you said that it's named Flyby because there's a device that is sent to take pictures of the comet, right?
Mm-mm. Mm. Yes.
And the device itself is named Flyby.
Uh,
Is it the comet
yeah.
name or the device's name?
As I understand from the article,
Mm-hmm.
I think it's both me. Both.
It both.
The scientific, well, the scientific ride the spacecraft to
Mm-hmm.
see the asteroid, and the
Mm-hmm.
asteroid uh melewati, what is it?
And
What?
as
And the asteroid passed the Earth on or another planet. So the scientific with spacecraft like me,
Mm-hmm.
so they in the space
Mm-hmm.
and they see the asteroid.
Mm-hmm.
So it's called fly by comet. Yes.
Oh, I see.
Mhm. And they took a radar for comet is 3 days.
Pardon?
You
New day?
3 days,
Oh,
three
three
days.
days. 3 days.
Yeah, fly by comet, image by radar.
I see.
So the spacecraft maybe like wait the asteroid and they can capture it, and it took 3 days.
3 days. Okay, got it.
Oh
Uh,
yes, Miss.
hmm? Do you want to add more?
This before I said that fly by comet is only two percobaan, right? Two experiment. But
Mm-mm.
after I read it, there is a four before I said it.
For
So
experiments.
yes, there's there are in planet. There's a deep, deep impact Rosetta, Templeon, and the last one is the asteroid, like that.
I see. Okay.
And the two one is cancelled, and the two one is uh what is berhasil
Succeeded.
finish.
Okay, finished.
Yeah,
And they
exactly.
already went over budget because of that.
Yeah, yeah. The fourth one they over budget.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, as you've probably notified by Google Classroom, your
Mm-mm.
after Zoom task is actually to make a video. Remember, the video doesn't have to show your face. I didn't ask a video that shows your face. You can make an animated video. I don't know. Have you ever tried Powtoon?
What? No.
Nobody has ever tried Powtoon video? Okay, so if you go to powtoon.com, there you go. You can make a video about your celestial event. By the way, the celestial event is the ones that we have discussed. So Aza, you will be in a team with Dio and Bening. Charissa, you will be in a team with Catherine. Lydia, Fanny, and Rere are in a team. You are going to make a video. It's up to you. If you want to make a video using pictures like slideshows, no problem. If you want to use Powtoon, no problem. If you want to use Canva video, no problem, okay? But basically, you don't have to show your face in the video. What I want is something, do you know that kind of video on YouTube that talk about something so we actually learn from the video? Have you ever watched that kind of video? No?
Mm,
Never?
yes.
Like, what is a blue moon? And it's already in animated video or pictures or so on. So you only have voiceover in your video, okay? The time is still long. You still have until tomorrow, midnight. So feel free to work with your group to make the video. You can use slideshow. You can use Canva, like I said, or you can use Powtoon or whatever platform that you want to make your video. Okay, but of course, you need to prepare the script because you are going to talk in your video. So even though you are using pictures, I don't want the words to be written. So you need to speak in the video. You don't have to show your face, but you do need to speak. Okay? All three of you or all two of you, if you have two people in the team, it means that I will hear Charissa and Catherine's voices, both voices. If I have Bening, Aza, and Dio in the team, it means that three people are going to to show their voices in the video. Okay, deal?
Yeah.
Yep. The video doesn't have to be long, by the way. Minimum 1 minute. Minimum 1 minute.
Okay.
Please don't make a video more than 5 minutes. I hope not. The longer, the longer the video, the longer it will take for you to upload it to WhatsApp or for me to upload it to YouTube. Okay. So, what video are you going to make?
Celestial object.
Celestial objects. And what celestial object are you going to use?
The object that we choose before.
Got it. Celestial objects that celestial event.
Yeah.
Celestial events that you have chosen in Zoom during the Zoom. Okay. How long is the minimum video?
1 minute.
1 minute maximum.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Thank you. Do you have to show your face in the video?
No, no.
What do
No,
you have to show then?
animated.
Animation, pictures.
Show
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
And your voices also. Okay. And when is the deadline?
tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Midnight tomorrow. Still long. Okay. So any questions?
No.
You can also add what I already asked. Perhaps the viewers also have the same questions. Why is it named Blue Moon? Like you can explain that in your video. Or why the moon has only 4 cycles or something. 4 phases, sorry. Okay. So if you don't have any more questions? No?
I think no.
No, okay, then I'm going to let you go. Thank you so much for joining today's session, everybody. Good luck with your video.
Yes,
Bye-bye.
ma'am.
Assalamualaikum.